Empire. Long time no see, but where are you running off to?
I'm excited.
We've actually got our exhaust for our Escalade, and it's from Corsa. I got the, actually I can't remember, I got the black tipped Sport Performance exhaust. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing, and then get after this thing's exhaust. So we're gonna have some tips poking out the bottom there, and hopefully a more aggressive sound than what you just heard. So bear with me. Oh, free sticker. Or maybe that's a $1,700 sticker. Can definitely say it's packed up nice. Oh, here's those tips. That's aggressive. Jesus. All right. Just get it. So I'm still here at work, and I'm just taking up and cleaning up our mess from working on here. I feel gracious that my place of business allows me to come in here and do this after hours. I really respect that from them. I respect my coworker for having a sawzall that I was able to use. You know, when it came to really installing this, it kind of went by really easy. The clip that goes from the catalytic converter to the muffler, it was unhappy. So I finagled something to go ahead and work. I'd recommend just probably buying a new one at GM, so that way you have it on hand. I busted that off and conveniently got it free. Slapped the random new bolt inside there and got that going, and zipped that on there and called that a day. And really, the rest of it went on just as easily as it came off. You do have to drop the spare tire. You do have to remove or swing out of the way an exhaust shield from the spare tire area. That kind of hooked me up for a loop because never dropped the tire in the Cadillac, so gotta learn something new today there. But I went ahead and just zipped off it in two pieces, because once you take it off of the catalytic converter, the muffler to tailpipe is all one piece. So I went ahead and made it three pieces because I wasn't trying to mess with it any more than I had to, and a sawzall makes quick work of things for this project. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little video. I know it's kind of random, kind of a late post. And you know, we haven't really doing a whole lot of uploads lately, but this was definitely a fun one. Hopefully I get some more videos of the Cadillac with the exhaust so y'all can hear it a little bit better. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned.